guys, today we are gonna continue our little mini series of doing the refrigerator compressors as shown right here. We're gonna see how much poundage of copper we can get out of all the refrigerator compressors that we have. I think we have three refrigerator compressors and one big AC unit compressor again to do for you guys. So let's see how much we can get out of copper poundage. Now I'm gonna hold the camera this time while Davey. We might switch turns because I like cutting them. Big, huge
but look,
puddle.
I caught it mostly in that bucket. Just give me 2 seconds, guys.
Gotta throw the steel in our barrel.
Alright. You know, a lot of people haven't been noticing either. This down here, that's cast iron. So if you guys wanted to, you could split this up and take the cast iron and put it in a separate barrel.
Truly get your money's worth.
Right? Watch the camera. Give me 2 seconds. Talk to him. Tell him what we're doing.
So we're trying to get our I think it's like 3 to 4 videos previously to this one. We we showed you guys. We titled the video as like trying to fill up our piggy bank. And that's actually one of our most popular videos. Not the top one, but one of the tops. We call it the piggy bank because we're trying to fill up one of the bins with copper. And anyways, this is doing these compressors is actually helping us reach to our goal of filling it up.
All right, one more pin.
This is what you get. And then a lot of steel and cast iron. I would highly recommend taking apart the cast iron and the steel.
We will eventually.
I don't know what he's doing. He loves using this thing.
What am I doing? Taking that piece off so it's out my
I know
way.
what you're doing, but I didn't know what you were doing with the air hammer.
Oh, yeah, things goes faster with it. This part you have to do with this. Oh, I want to say, you know, you can do these with a chop saw. You know, cut it off right here like you would with the angle grinder. I do have a chop saw, but the thing is, the chop saw throws all these little things everywhere. And I do not want to have to clean up that mess.
Hang on. Before you continue, I want to say thank you for all of our views and all the new subscribers that we have. And thank you for watching. And let's continue.
So this one does it on me.
What was that? Whoa! You made me jump.
Did I?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to try not to lose. Okay, like I said, we're going to try not to lose any of this.
It's Davy cut uneven, and this is what happened.
Yep.
Naughty, naughty. You're grounded.
Alright. Alright.
Time for his favorite part of every video.
Oh, it's not my favorite part. I would say there's a half a pound here. It is nothing like the weight to the other ones. So everybody knows now why your refrigerator always takes a crap.
Not always.
Alright. Let's do another.
We got 3 to do.
4. I'm saving the best one for last. We got another
3
central
left.
air
We
unit.
have 3 left to do. That's
Oh
what I
yeah,
said.
3.
3.
How many minutes are we into it?
12. This ain't your best record. Okay, it looks like he's peeing.
Okay, that's enough.
This is the worst part about angle grinders with cords.
Especially when it's cold.
We forgot to get propane.
Yes, we did.
Sorry, I was yawning.
So to let everybody know, 9 out of 10, these things here are not copper. They're steel.
It looks like copper piping, but it's steel.
But I'll show you. It'll throw sparks. That is a steel line. Huh. Why don't you want to come out? The best way to do these. Turn that sucker off right there. And this, you go into the steel barrel. Not that one, it's got a copper wire on it. And I don't like to waste wire. Alright. Now, let's do some taking off. Oh, something else I forgot to tell you. Okay, we all know this is cast iron. This is just regular steel, so you have to take these off. But this here, in the center, is considered short steel. So those you could put in a separate barrel as well.
We're just gonna throw it in our pile for now. Our goal of today is to get copper. That one was quicker. Okay, we're gonna hold off on that piece for a second while we do this big boy.
That one's trying to get me. Still trying to get me.
Davey, what are these parts?
What? Those actually have brass in them, but I do not collect the brass out of them.
Why?
Kind of a pain in the ass.
Language.
Huh?
Language.
Oh, my bad.
So hard to hold the camera still. I have a tripod stand, but it's easier to hold it with copper sparks and... Or not. Copper don't give sparks. My bad. Steel does.
The seal everywhere. Alright.
This is our last one of these.
Yep.
Just hit my camera.
Yeah.
That's how he does it. Because he lost the tool.
I can't wait to get to these discs from Harbor Freight. They're really awesome.
You're trying to use up your other one?
Yeah. I know. Right on the freaking top.
I was gonna say that was coming for you. Wait, that's the same one that you about fell.
Yeah.
So it really did come for you.
Right? Alright. Now, back after the same stuff.
Pins, 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 pins. Are they on my back?
And when you cut these ones down here, let me see if I can find one. These little suckers here, they shoot up and they go. So don't be looking at it.
You moved just right, and with the sparks, they were coming at me, so I went to move, and I got my shoulder and back right on this freaking belt grinder.
All right.
angle grinder is gonna take a poop one day.
Probably.
Done with the angle grinder for now. Ready for it? Get ready for it. Well, that's the amount of copper you get for. That's the amount of copper you get of copper wiring out of 3 refrigerator compressors. It is worth it, especially if you're gonna melt it down like we are.
Okay, but something you guys got to look at now. If you look here, there's aluminum in this one too. If you look here, there's aluminum in this one. Copper and aluminum. I mean, it's only just a few. So you will have to separate that somehow.
Why is it like that?
Sometimes they throw aluminum in with them too, but it's mostly copper. It's only like this side. These two sides.
It's hard to focus when you're moving it and I'm shaking.
Then the rest are, if you look.
You can kind of see the different colors.
Yeah. So, alright. Let's go take these in and get a weight of what one weighs.
What are these again?
That's just steel. With copper spools and the one with the aluminum spool. Don't worry about this stuff. This stuff just goes in the barrel.
I'll take it with this because it was on it. Okay, come on. For some reason I didn't charge my camera long enough and...
Oh. That's alright, but that ends this little segment of the compressors, you know?
So far this is my barrel of steel. So gross in it. Wow. Got so much to do. And I have so many video ideas to do for you guys. Should we go to my room where the scale is or bring it to the living room?
Bring it out in the living room. Or kitchen.
Pretty slick. The only thing is you gotta make sure it's super clean.
I don't know why, guys, but I accidentally put my wire bro in my bathroom. Set you on my scale.
Probably about 2 gallons into here. So we'll just put some air pressure in there.
Just carry them around.
Hold this.
Hurry. Hold on, guys. She's getting it set up. Okay,
Why does it say 5 pounds?
just hit the.
But even just taking that off, it's just
Okay.
Put the aluminum up here. The first one, the aluminum and copper.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, the aluminum copper one weighs.
just add so much to the project getting in the rest belt, fighting with broken seat
What the heck?
nuts.
It's not turned on.
And you're like, well, it's not that big of a deal.
Take the copper off.
Used to that, but man, what a fight.
Is it on? Okay.
And when we buy 40-year-old projects,
You see anything?
and stuff coming new,
1 pound, 6 ounces for the aluminum copper one. Now the pure copper one.
There's both of them.
Just one at a time. Okay,
They weigh the same.
they weigh the same. Okay, next one. So there's 2 pounds, 14 ounces. Put this one back on. So our total amount is 4 pounds, 6 ounces out of 3
Just 3
refrigerator compressors. Not too bad. Now she'll go throw it into the.
All my other compressors will be. I got it. All my other compressors will be in the next video. And
Maybe next one.
maybe. You may have to wait and see. Subscribe to find out. And thank you for watching, and I appreciate you guys on subscribing to me. Thank you for watching this week's video, and hit the subscribe button to see next week's. Thank you.